Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are at Siliguri right now. So since we are here, we decided to visit the famous Bengal Safari, and everyone's been to this place except me. So I was super duper excited to be here. Now let me take you along on this adventure. Here's the ticket for safari. It was like 20 to 25-minute ride, but still so excited to explore this place. So this was the first time I saw tigers up close, and it was super amazing. They were so beautiful in person, and I couldn't even believe how close I was to such beautiful creatures. This place is so peaceful, it's so calm and quiet, being far away from all the noise, the traffic here and there. It's like a perfect spot to relax and find peace. Goodbye, Bengal Safari. It was fun. Got ready and we are heading towards city center now. Yeah, Mochu, yeah, Dakshu. Yeah, Dakshu ko boju. Dakshu ko kanchi boju. This brownie from Myanmar.
My favorite.
Myanmar. What's your favorite? Hey,
Megaphone ra दिएन मैले ए आज त हातले खाएको त मैले
कस्तो खाले स्पुन दिएको हौ?
मलाई दुई साइड रहेछ है
Hello, Santa Claus! go. I've got cold sore, but it's healing. We are super exhausted. We've been walking all day.
Too much.
We are at Decathlon tent. फेरि भन्नु त यहाँ हेरेर
ऊ ट्र्याकहरू रहेछ त
Decathlon, please sponsor him. आमामा यस्तो छ है नक्कुर बनाइसक्यो नि हौ मलाई I'm having rice and chicken curry for dinner, and as you can see I'm eating with my hands. It's all clean, it's super clean, so don't judge me for this. Dusted. We had our dinner. कस्तो लाग्यो तपाईलाई आज खाना? Thank you Rita mommy.
Not worth
for the treat.
Not worth.
यस्तो मिठै थिएन हौ. This is where we went. हाम्रो tea
time. Tea time.
This guy looks so pretty. Having it for the first time. Yeah, no? अचारहरू पाउँदैन?
ग्रेभी दिन्छ अचार त हुँदैन न
यो हाल्दा त मिठो पो भयो त
के रहेछ
पुरा भोक लागेको बेला आउनु पर्ने रहेछ यहाँ चाहिँ
Hi. It's a pocket. Hi, Madam. Hi. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
We have fish here, chicken, drumstick. Hello. It's a feast, guys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mayank.
Happy New Year, bana.
Look at this, guys. Ambo. Get them, dekho. Yeah, no? State chicken. This is how I spent my New Year's Eve. I sat by the fire with my family. We ate delicious food and spent the evening having conversations. It was truly a special and a peaceful time with them. Yummy! Can even change this. Hi guys! Happy New Year! It's the 1st of January and I'm having kheer. Hey, so it's the 1st of January and we have decided to take a sudden trip to a place called Lataguri, which is in West Bengal. And my Bena's friends are already ahead of us and we will be meeting them there. Wow, such a beautiful place.
मलाई पठाउन WhatsApp गर्न तिमी
A little TMI, I didn't bring my scarf with me, so I had to use this cloth to cover my head because the cold wind outside the car was hurting my head. But still, I managed to stay warm. Also, I didn't get to film much because my battery was low, but despite that, it was still a great start to the year. And thank you for watching. Hi everyone, so before ending this video, I just wanted to take a moment to wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing journey, and I'm so grateful for your love and support till now. Even though we have very less subscribers, you can see, I hope in the coming year we would grow as a YouTuber and come up with more amazing contents for you all. And yeah, wishing you a year filled with love and success, and keep loving us, keep supporting us, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye. Sarangi. Sarangi.